I've been gone for a minute, but now I'm back with the jump off. It's Quentin with the Fashion Doll, y'all. Welcome back. I'm here with another unboxing and review. You may be wondering why I had that intro and why I'm dressed like this. Well, today we are reviewing a Barbie Extra Mini. Get into her bangs. And when I saw her in the store, I said, oh, she's giving me Lil' Kim, the Queen Bee. Hence the intro. But yes, we're going to unbox her today. This is the third girl in my collection from the Barbie Extra Minis series. But before we get to that, we're going to open this. And you may be wondering what this is. I ordered, y'all know, I talk about dolls, but I'm also into fashion, and this is a fashion channel as well. So, you know, I want to incorporate fashion, and we are talking about fashion dolls, of course. So, I think I showed y'all one of the Fashion Avenue sets that I ordered from eBay, and I ordered another one. So this is a gown. I wanted something pink, because y'all know my collection is pink. I think pink. I can't think of the Lizzo song from the Barbie movie. I know she goes, hey Barbie. Hi Barbie, hi Barbie, hi Barbie. Well, this box is bigger than the last one I have. Oh, she's stunning. Oh. Hold on, I get to stand up for this one. I'll get closer so y'all can see her. Oh. Get into the details, mama. Get into the shoes. Get into the dress, get into, I'm not taking this out the box, but I think this is just like a feather boa, and she has a gold clutch. It's like giving gold lame. How stunning. This is what we need back, Mateo. Look at the back. I want this blue outfit. This blue outfit is giving me Chanel when Karl Lagerfeld was there. Oh, just so fabulous. But I don't think I could take this out the box. I think she's going to be art on my wall as well because it's just so stunning. But I just wanted to show y'all this. If anyone wants to give me some Barbie fashion that I could unbox or some to collect, I would be so grateful. My birthday is coming up. Okay. Well, that's it for the Barbie Fashion Avenue, and that's a deluxe. So I guess that's why she was so stunning. And I got an offer on eBay, and she wasn't too bad. I didn't pay a lot for her. Okay, so this is our Barbie Extra Mini. I looked up what number in the series she is, but now I forget. So don't give me the lying. But the affiliate link will be in the description. So let's open her. I'm very excited for Miss Lil' Kim. That's what I'm calling her. Or Queen Bee, Kimberly. Whatever variation. But that's what she is for me. And I'm not even I wouldn't say I'm a Lil' Kim fan. I don't dislike her, but I'm not a fan either. But this was just too cute to me. And I thought it was funny. I seen some other doll collectors unbox her and review her on YouTube. And most people do not like her bangs. But I just think they don't get the reference. I really think this is referencing Lil' Kim when she had the Chanel on her bangs. But you know, when you don't know, you don't know. Or you don't know what you don't know. How about that? Okay, here she is still in her plastic packaging. And then here is her stand. Let's just put the stand together. I'm actually getting hot, so I'm gonna take off this hat. Hey Barbie. Okay, sound off in the comments. I know my Bravo girls watch Housewives of Atlanta, but to viewers who don't know me and you're subscribed, if you're not subscribed, you should be subscribed. But to viewers who watch, are y'all fans of Housewives of Atlanta? And if so, I'm thinking about reviewing their fashion from the upcoming reunion. So please leave a comment and let me know how you feel about that. Because we haven't had any events to really cover people's fashions. So that would be an opportunity. Oh, okay. Well, that was easy. I didn't have to cut a bunch of stuff to get her out. I don't know if they're all that easy. Okay. Okay, so she's out. She comes with a cute little backpack. Let's show the backpack before we show her. It's the backpack. It has a little face on it. It looks like a dog's face. It's cute, and the real long straps, so you can actually put it on her. And here are her glasses. I like the sides. They're supposed to be like a chain link. I wish they put it in gold or silver. That would have been really cute. Okay, and here is our diva, our 90s diva, with her extra cute on her bangs. Get it to it. Her face is cute. I like her makeup. Well, her bangs have they have some glue on them so they stay stiff. I don't know. I can't tell if her eyes are pixelated or not, because they have like glitter in their eyes too. But she definitely has a cute face. She has silver matching earrings. And she has on like a hoodie dress. These are leg warmers, but I feel like it's supposed to be like she has on a sock. At first I didn't like them, but they're not bothering me. Oh, look. And she has this pearl headband. She also has a hood. And it looks big. Can we put it on her head? Oh. Maybe not. Oh wait, it should be able to go on because it has a hole in the back. Maybe I need to put her hair through there. Oh. See, this is why I feel like making dog clothes would be really hard. Because it's hard just putting them on the girls. Okay, so the hood kind of goes on. You see it's open in the back. You can put her hair through there. This is a little tough to get on, to me. It might be easier for a kid because their hands are small. Oh, her hair is a mess right now. Okay. We can leave that off, but you see that it's an option. I just wanted you to see. She has little tassels for her hoodie. I'm sure they don't work. And her hair actually has tinsel in it, which is cute. I like the tinsel. I wish they had to put some in her bangs. And get into her little boots. They have like a ruffle on the side. They're cute. Let's put her glasses on her and her backpack. Doom 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 Yes. Okay. So this is with her glasses on. And then get into the backpack. It's cute. It hangs low. But whatever. They could have made the straps a little shorter so it was higher. I feel like this is a bag. There's something for. I feel like this backpack would be better on a taller Barbie. It's so small. But she is really cute. I like this hoodie. And then of course they do like all the other ones. She bends at the shoulder and the elbow, the thigh and the knee. She seems like she moves a little better than some of the other ones I have. Let's put her on her stand. My only critique, I love lime green. This is one of my favorite colors too. But she doesn't have on lime green. They could have did this like mint color green. Orange would have been cute. I don't know why they did. Oop, no, it's shoe coming off. I don't know why they did lime green. But go off, girl. I need to take this backpack off because I'm sure I can't have her on the stand. And with the backpack, it's fine. She can have it in her hand or something. She needs a good comb. I'm probably not gonna. I'm probably just gonna comb her hair because she has this tinsel, and I would imagine if I boil washed her, the extra cute would be gone. So we're gonna leave that alone. Okay, she wasn't too bad to get on the stand. Yeah, she's cute. I'm happy to have Kimberly. Let's lift her up a little. She said, hey Faith, it's Kim. How you doing, girl? But she is too cute. So for all the reviewers out there that was hating on Miss Kimberly, I'm gonna have her number in the description because I do not remember her number. I don't know why one says she's 3, but that might have been the last one I did. I can't remember. But for all the haters that said her bangs were ugly, they're not ugly. You just don't know. You don't know the reference, and that's your business. And if I peeped it, and I'm not even a Lil' Kim fan, you could too. So Blue, and some of the girls is older than me. Get into it. She got on her cross collars. Okay. Well, that has been today's unboxing and review. I have my third girl from the Barbie Extra Minis series. I don't know. There's another one that I saw that's in like lavender. It's like a fluffy outfit. If I see her, maybe I'll get her. But I don't think I've seen any other ones that I'm really pressed about. I did see they have a play set. That's cute. I saw it in a Ross the other day, but I don't know if I need it. And if you want her, I will again have the affiliate link in the description. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And yes, let me know about the Real Housewives of Atlanta fashion review for the reunion, because we definitely, well, I'm probably going to do it regardless, but I would like to hear your feedback. Okay, have a good day. Ta-ta.